Okay. He's doing a dry fit of the
These fit all
coupling.
the way. So I'm going to save that one.
If anybody's used to buying stuff, doing work for themselves, they know, or you guys will know, that not everything is uniform. We had some couplings a while ago, same couplings, 3/4 inch, and they were too small for the 3/4 inch PVC. And they weren't for thin wall, they were for Schedule 40. So we had to go hunt up some more 3/4 inch couplings, and these fit just fine. We run into stuff like that all the time, especially with woodworking, crown molding, trim, door casings, because each manufacturer seems to have their own specifications. And if anybody doesn't know, when you're doing plumbing, you want your primer to go out past your fittings. What the hell is the damn thing? And the reason that's for, so when you have plumbing inspectors or anybody else coming along behind you, they know that you have primed and glued that pipe. They want to see that. If not, they'll make you redo it.